Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. In this video, you will learn how to distribute attention in your design so that the focus falls on preferred objects. I have a landing page on Figma platform. I will select my artboard. I will go to Plugins, Attention Insight, Analyze Design. After testing, we have our analysis results. Clarity score is 87%, which is an optimal clarity. The focus is big because the design is not cluttered. For this reason, the readability is also easy. I will press Get More Insights in order to get more detailed results. Then I will draw rectangles as my areas of interest on the title, find out more text, as well as showcase and about buttons. Now we can see the percentage of attention of each element. As I mentioned earlier, I'd like to incorporate new tones and textures into the design, so the most significant amount of attention goes not to the page title, which is a very big element, but also to find out more scroll down button. This way it will be clearer for a viewer that we can scroll down and find out more information on the page. Also, it would be good for the functional elements, showcase and about buttons, to get more attention. Let's go back to Figma. I will create a copy of the artboard. I already have a vector file ready, which we can use to accentuate the Find Out More text section. I will place it in the design. Immediately, we can see that the page title and the bottom section of the text have a clearer balance, and also the bottom text line should now receive more attention. However, the top text line is still quite bold. I will upload another texture. Then I will adjust the layers so that the new texture goes on top of the previous one and creates a nice subtle background. To minimize the text boldness even more, I will make the text white and reduce the opacity from 100 to 64%. We can check what the analysis results are now. When looking at the heat map, immediately we can see that more focus goes to find out more text, as well as some more attention is received by the buttons on the left. Let's see if the percentage of attention of the objects is what we have expected. I will draw areas of interest on the same objects as earlier. I will create new comparison by selecting both designs to compare. Overall, we can see that the clarity score of the edited design is smaller. It decreased 2%. The only possible reason why this happened is that the design got busy after introducing new tones and textures. However, readability-wise, it is still a very high percentage. What is more, our intent to have more attention for the smaller functional objects was affirmed. Page title focus decreased, while the found out more text percentage has increased considerably, almost 7%. Showcase and about buttons also received more attention after the changes were made. Our goal was reached.